Hi guys, in this video we are going to discuss about how to do array broadcasting. So array broadcasting is nothing but our operation and doing arithmetic operations on two matrices which are having different orders. See here you can see that there are two different types of matrices. One is of order 3 by 3 and another one is of order 1 by 3. So in this, if we basically the array multiplication or addition will be done using, if the size of the matrix is equal, the both matrices are identical, so then only the operations on the two matrices will be happen. But here, if the matrices size or order is different, then the numpy can solve this type of solutions using the array broadcasting. See here you can see this array is of order 1 by 3 and this is broadcasted, means that these 3 bits are repeated to obtain the same size of 3 by 3 of order 3 by 3, which will looks like the first matrix. So after by doing this, the matrix addition will be done and the resultant will be obtained will be like this. So let me show in a practical way. To import numpy module, we are going to use import statement, and here I am going to create our arrays using a list. And this is a list. By using this list, we are going to create an array using numpy. In order to create that, you need to use as array method, and you need to pass the parameter that is the list variable L. And here I am going to create a one-dimensional array of order 1 by 4 named as array y, as array of 9, 1, 2, 3, and this is our array y. And I am going to print the arrays after we take that arrays into the variable x and y, whether it is stored in the variables perfectly or not. And here, in order to broadcast, the numpy will automatically broadcast this y array so that the arithmetic operation will be done automatically without any error. Numpy has that ability to solve these type of errors easily. See here the array x is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, and I think sorry, I didn't written a statement called print array y is. Okay, let me write that. And this is array x and this is array y, and in order to get the output of addition of two matrices, we broadcasted the array y. So you can see this image. This is how the second array will be broadcasted. In order to obtain the matrix for the first, as the size of first matrix, it is replicated. The first three elements of the matrix will be replicated till the order or the size will be obtained as the first matrix. And here is the output, that the addition of two arrays of x and y, which is of order 1 by 2, and another one is 4 by 2 or something like that, 1 by 4. So this is the output that we got. Let me show the error that we will raise. Okay, for suppose if I change the statement like this, y plus x, now you will get the error as, okay, I mean you will get the error like there is no such type of shapes in order to perform the operations like that. You will get an error like that. Wait, let me show that. See, this is an error that we got after writing this. After mismatching the orders. So, in order to do broadcasting, we are having certain rules like the matrix. I mean, we need the rules that we are following to do the matrix multiplications are applied here for broadcasting. So, this is what I got for this video. If you like this video, please hit like and subscribe to our channel if you haven't subscribed yet. Thanks for watching. Have a great day.